Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for being here. So in today's video guys, I'm just showing you around how uh, we build we are building our houses in the village, how it's supposed to be. Rather, I think way back before kabisa hizo nyumba vile zilikuwa zinajengwa hizo za makuti and stuff like that, zilikuwa maybe, I don't know, but I think in every homestead I've seen this version of how we are building. I don't know about any other community. This is Grandma land and this is our home and this is how we build our houses. So every compound, or rather every home in the village has this big compound, as you can see it from this side. So this is my father's compound. From that far end over there going to that far end over there, it's all my father's compound mpaka kule kwenye wale watoto wamefika. So that is where our compound inafika, and each and every tumezungukwa na like houses from zenye my brothers have built. So these houses my brothers have built. So we don't build houses sisi kama wasichana, so we only either we sleep in our father's house or we sleep in our brother's house. So after showing you the compound, so like this is the main house. So for now, this is my father's house, you guys. So this is the main house, as you can see. Let me try like give you the world view how the big it is. Yani it means that hii ni nyumba ya sasa, hii ndio nyumba kubwa. So this is the main house, so you can see it from far. Yeah, sasa sisi wote tunatoka hapa ndani, wenye atakuja wanaingia hapa ndani. If I decide to like get married via a wedding, this is where nitatolewa. Yeah, so this is the main house, and then we have a separate jiko. It is not appealing because oh god, ni kijijini jamani. So this is our jiko, so the main house and then jiko. So in each and every homestead in this village they have separate jikos. Kama mtu ameamua kujenga modern houses or stuff like that, that is when maybe akijenga nyumba yake ataingiza jiko ndani. But hata kama ukiingiza jiko ndani, lazima kuwe na jiko ya nje ya familia mzima. So this is the main jiko, yeah, in the village, yeah. And then on this other side, this is where we are like hii ni nyumba ya kuku, mabata and stuff like that. Mifugo zile za kukula, we are keeping them inside here. And then this likoba here ni la kufukuzia mabata, because I don't know how they are living, but kwa keep inakuaga noma. So most of the time huwa kama tunakula tunachukua ile likoba we are like chasing them away so that we may have peace. And then if you come on this far end, this is our youngest brother's house, so the last boy in my father's homestead. And you guys, let me first tell you that we have two sets of boys. So boys from my first mom, my mom that is, so they are big, so wao tayari wanajenga. So you excuse me guys, because time yenye ambao na nini, there's kuna jua. So this is his house, as small as it may look. he decided to build it that way. So this is my younger brother, no, my immediate elder brother, immediate. So yeye ndo wa mwisho kwa set ya kwanza ya familia yetu. Yeah, wao ndo wakubwa, miding mazafake heri enye kare tu manafakari besi ba mambo sekonze. Hebu msiafungire ndani azini watembee tu hivyo. So this is his house. I think he's trying to come up with anajua mwenyewe vile anataka kutengeneza. So this is his house, and then when you come on this side, my brother here, my younger brother now, the twins, we have twins in our family. So he's he likes keeping pets. No, anapenda kuweka mifugo. He likes keeping poultry. I think that is the right word. So this is where he's keeping his poultry. I think I'm using the right word, but tunaitwa kwangwa. So this is where anaeka. And then you come on this other side. Let's continue with the tour. I'm taking you through how we build our houses. This is my big brother's house. He's not here. There's a very, very long story about this house and the owner. So we just pray to God that he remembers him wherever he is, because he is going through a lot. You guys, as long as I know my brother, he's a hardworking person, and me seeing like his house this way, it breaks my heart, knowing that whatever he is, he's willing, but he doesn't have freedom. Yeah, he doesn't have freedom. I maybe do a video later on explaining his situation. So this is his house. So this is the firstborn's house. Tunajenga nyumba kwa kuzunguka boma, like nyinyi kama mmezaliwa, like kwenu mmezaliwa wanaume, so it means that mta nini, azini mtajenga mkizunguka, watoto wa kiume wanajenga wakizunguka baba yao. So from that end, my father's house, my last brother's house, our firstborn's house, and then our second-born brother's house over there. Yeah, our second-born, that is me. Yeah, this is our second brother's house. So hizi zote ni nyumba za wanaume, hakuna nyumba ya girl child huku hivi. Yeah, so this is his house. So that is how we are building our houses, guys. Let me know how you build your own houses in your father's compound. So hapa ni mahali kwa kupumzika. That is why kuna miti kila mahali. But our main resting place is that far end over there. There's this ni mwarubaini. Yeah, nimesahau jina ya ki English. So neem tree. Yeah, there's this neem tree. So this is where we rest, and we have lots of them over here. There's another one there, and then there's another one there. Yeah, and then yeah, I think that is it. I wanted to show you. That is it. I wanted to show you. So every time I come home, my main final space is me sitting under that tree over there, because that is the final. We like say ukifika hakuna mahali kwingine unaenda, ukifika kwa Mkilifi hakuna mahali kwingine unaenda. So this is our main resting place. So you guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. The other side there is our, like kama kuna nyesha nini, we do like home farming, guys. So nothing much to show over there, just empty compound. So on that other side also, let me mention the reason why kulipandwa tumiti hapa is because my younger brother, we have twins, so one of the twins decided like atakuwa anajenga that other side, so tulimaliza tu miti yake juzi because aliekelea na alikuwa hajengi na sisi tulikuwa tunatafuta kuni, so tukamalizia hapo. So like, but alishawahi jenga mpaka akakuwa na nyumba, so I think he likes that side and that is where he will be like kujenga nyumba yake. I don't know, labda tabadilisha, but yeah, that one aside. And then there's that one over there, you see that kaboy over there, that is our last boy. Yeah, anafunga mbuzi. Let me take you let me take you to the, so anafunga mbuzi. So this is our last born boy. Yeah, huyu sasa ndo mtu wa kupenda mifugo, that is why mnamuona ako busy na nini, na kufunga mbuzi. This one, guys, is pregnant. Yeah, this one is pregnant and we wish you safe delivery. Let me show you. Yeah, we wish you safe delivery. So that is it, guys. That is it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and leave your comment down below. What do you think, or how do you build your houses in the village life in Africa? And I really love home because, oh my goodness, you guys, there's nothing like, there's peace at home. Hata kama hamna kitu lakini uko kwenu, you guys, you feel like there's peace. So thank you so much for watching this video, this particular one. Thank you much for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Until we meet next time. Bye bye.
Weekends as usual. You don't wanna be alone, so we talking on the phone again. Now you misunderstanding what I'm saying. Now it feels like I'm alone at your party with nobody who gives a fuck about me. I am just wondering, why can't we just pull back?